Hey guys, here's our PM Diecast, and today I'm just cracking some stuff I've had put away that I need to get opened. I need to open. I have been dying to open these, especially this R32, the Godzilla, because I have the two mainline Godzillas, but I don't have this premium one, and I just got this a couple days ago. Same with this Lambo, just a few days ago. But I've had this KDR30, which I thought I had, but I don't, and this 5-pack. Now this 5-pack, obviously, I just really want the Datsun 510 wagon and this truck. I don't know what it is about this truck. I love it. But yeah, so today we're gonna be opening the Boulevard R32 Skyline, the Huracan. Now, one thing that's kind of cool about this packaging, a lot of people, some people missed it, some people didn't, is like this one, it's just regular in the corner, and this one has fireworks because it's number 100. And if you look, oh, it's on this side. If you look on the cement thing here, it says 100, which is pretty cool. I thought that was pretty cool for, you know, being the 100 car in this set. But anyway, there's that one, the 32, the KDR 30 from Japanese Historic Street. Now again, I thought I had this one, but I don't, for some reason. I could have sworn I opened this in another video, but I went through all my cars and I don't have it. And then next is this 5-pack, which again, I really just want this 510. I have, or 510 wagon. I have the regular 510 with this same livery on it, but I don't have the wagon. And then this dually truck, which only has one wheel, but whatever. It's supposed to look like a dually. Love the color. I don't know what it is about this truck, but it just drew me to it. But yeah, I'm gonna get these cracked open, and then we might come back after. I might just crack these and talk through them, just to, you know, just to tell you what I like about it. Now, you guys might like different things about it. You guys might not even like these, but I do. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. Okay, so I apologize ahead of time if the mic doesn't sound good, just because I'm using the one on the Canon 80D, and I don't know if it's good or not. But my other mic, when I have it on, it sounds horrible because it's so crazy. So the first one I'm going to open is this R32. Now, like I said, I love the Godzilla, and it's so simple. Like, for example, I'll show you these two. The 33, by far, one of my favorite castings, which they don't do that often. But here are the other Godzillas, the mainline. This is the 32, which is the same as the car I'm about to open, and this was the 33. Pretty crazy livery, you know, with the red. The other one with the blue. This is just white and gray, which I love. I love. Cracked blister. That's why. Another reason why I'm opening it is it cracked. But yeah, let's get her cracked open. So nice. I'm gonna see if I can shine my light right on it. There we go. Wow. Like the premiums, detailed headlights, detailed taillights. Holy. And just to, like I said, compare it to the other R32, obviously it's a mainline. Oh, that's a 33. My bad. Hold on, I'll get there. Alright, we'll get there. So a couple things, right? This is the low profile spoiler. This is the, I like to call it the slightly high profile. Yeah, really nice castings, but I do love the premium a lot more. This rim combo with the this combo with the, you know, the gold rims, they're more like a bronze, I guess, but they look gold to me. gold with the white and the gray just looks so good. I'm gonna go put this on the spinner now. I've already shown a little bit up close, but we'll get even more up close, and then we will do the next car. The next car I have is the KDR30 from Japan Historics 3. Again, I don't know what it is with this color of rims. It's almost the same as what was on the last car, but I freaking love it. I love it. Also, this livery, again, one of my favorite paint schemes. Obviously not the same liveries because it's not a Liberty Walk, but still such a nice casting. I do have some main lines of this, but the premium is just, ooh. I've only seen this in our shop twice, so I'm excited that I was finally able to get one. But let's crack it open and get a better look, get an even better look. Focus, you frick. There we go. Nissan Sky 30 RS Turbo, black interior, right-hand drive, obviously. Such a nice casting. Let's go put it on the spinner and get some more uppy closies. Just wanted to add in the color comparison, obviously, as this is basically the same. Well, it is the same color. Just obviously not a Liberty Walk and a Liberty Walk, but love this combo. Love it even more with these rims, way over these ones. But yeah, like I said, let's go take some uppy closies and we'll be back. Next is this, again another Boulevard. It is the Lamborghini Kos Super. Again, I love the little details like this fireworks, just because it is number 100, and then the little 100 on the sidewalk here. Super cool. Just little details like that is just so neat to see from Hot Wheels. But yeah, it's crack. I don't know why my luck with opening these premiums has been so bad, because I have such a hard time. Maybe it's not just me though. I've seen some other videos as well, but with people struggling. That's plastic, part of the interior. Pretty cool though. Left-hand drive, black interior. Countach. Such a nice casting. I don't think I have any Countachs at all in my collection. This is my first Countach. I'm pretty sure, 99% sure. I'll check before I do the up close just to double check, but really nice, really nice. Again, love these color of rims, this color of rims. But yeah, let's go pop this on the spinner and we'll be right back. Last but certainly not least is this Hot Wheels 5-pack. Now again, I'm really excited for this 510 wagon, just because I have the 510. I'll see if I can get it to focus. I have the 510 with the same livery, obviously a different paint. This is way lighter than this dark one, but again, it goes with it, so super excited. And then you got Fantasy, 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 and then I think this is a Chevy truck. But the color on this, so freaking nice. Also, I'm saying freaking a lot, so I apologize. But yeah. Let's get it. Now, because I don't save the packaging, I'm going to rip this thing open. I will show them all, but the ones that I'm, again, most excited for is this 510 wagon. White interior, damn, that's nice. That's cool. Same as the regular 510. Oh, it doesn't have the writing on the roof of the regular 510, but it's got both got the hood. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and this one's a black interior on the regular 510. And then, actually, I'm not going to show this. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Hold on. So yes, it is a Chevy 3500. Would have been cool if they put two wheels, like made it an actual dually, but I think they'd have to, Hot Wheels would like have to totally reconstruct the casting, obviously, which, I mean, who cares? It looks like a dually. To me, it's a dually, even though it's only got two wheels. It's just almost like a Tiffany blue, almost. Well, I'm going to go pop these two on the spinner, and then we will come back. Now again, things like this I don't know what I just dropped, but things like this that are just fantasies. This is our dollar bin, and so I'll just throw them in our dollar bin. And someone else can buy those, because I obviously don't want them, but I mean, they're for kids anyway. But anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget about the giveaway again. The R34 and the Super T. Now I might add in, I have a T-Hunt R34 that I might swap for this, unless you guys want to keep it, but I'm pretty sure everyone wants the T-Hunt, but I haven't decided yet, because I might want to open it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and leave down in the comments what your favorite casting is. And remember to keep on collecting.